everyone, so welcome here our product from Korea and Thailand. So we have also the palette here from Canada. So we have the very good and nice product here. It has a vitamin and also this one with hyaluronic and it will be plump on your lips also. So more than 24 hours this one the lipsticks, and we have a very good eyebrow as well. That's waterproof that eyebrow. So we
waterproof eyebrow. Okay.
Yeah, we have here the lip liner, and also here the mascara. The mascara, this is a human hair.
Yes.
Okay, so we have also here the mascara is here. So this one with body scrub. This one from Thailand.